Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Ambaruchii and today I'm going to show you guys how to make these super simple and delicious no-bake lemon berry mini cheesecakes. To get started, I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese and I'm going to add this into my stand mixer and mix this until it's nice and creamy. Then I add one batch of my super delicious lemon curd recipe. If you want this recipe, click here. Trust me, you need this in your life. And I mix this once again for a couple of minutes until the lemon curd and the cream cheese are combined. And just to add a little more lemon flavor and tartness, I add the juice of one whole lemon in here. Next, I add 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk. You can add anywhere from 3/4 to 1 whole cup of sweetened condensed milk depending on how sweet you want yours to be. I like mine's to be a little more on the tart side because of the lemon curd, so I added 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk and I thought that it was perfect. But if you want to add a whole cup, feel free to do so. And once again, I keep mixing this until everything's combined and creamy. Now to make the crust, I have 2 packs of graham crackers that I've crushed, which equals about 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. This is optional, I just like my crust to be a little sweeter. And I also have 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm going to combine this all together to form our crust. Here I have a cupcake pan which I'm just spraying with some non-stick cooking spray, and I'm going to add my graham cracker crumbs onto here. I'm filling each cup evenly and then I'm going to press the crumbs onto here with my hands. And this is the only thing that you have to bake. I baked this at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes just so that it firms up. You actually really don't have to bake this. You can let it set in the freezer, but it doesn't hold up and firm up the same way that it does if you bake it. So once again, I bake this at 350 degrees just for 5 minutes, and then I let this cool completely before adding the filling. Now here I have that delicious lemon curd cheesecake filling that we made earlier, and I'm going to fill each cup with this deliciousness. And I freeze these for about 2 hours, or better yet, you can leave them overnight. And with a nice warm spatula, I just run it around the corners of the cheesecakes, and the good thing is that these pop right out. So I'm going to add these onto a serving platter, and I'm going to top these with some delicious homemade blueberry sauce, which is just blueberries, sugar, and a bit of lemon juice cooked together until nice and thick. And I'm going to top the other ones with some fresh raspberries. You can top these with any types of berries or fruits that you want, or you can even leave them plain like this because it is super delicious. That lemon curd gives this cheesecake such a fresh taste. I hope that you guys enjoyed this super easy no-bake cheesecake recipe. This recipe makes about 18 mini cheesecakes, which is about 1.5 dozen, or you can make 1 full-size cheesecake. Don't forget to check out my lemon curd recipe. It's so easy and also super delicious. If you guys would like to see me make more no-bake recipes, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!